quick tip on Screenflow and how to save a GIF of some short clip that you would like. So let's say, I have this Screenflow document that I have a recording, and I want to, you can convert the whole thing to a GIF, but you don't want to because GIF are usually less than 5 seconds long. So, if you want to just convert the whole thing, though, you would just go to File and Export, and then you would actually have to select the manual because it's not one of the automatic options, and select animated GIF. Now, nowadays you can also select as animated PNG, which is similar to GIF, and actually they're smaller in sizes, but we're just going to go over the GIF option and just know that you have another option as animated PNG. So I'm not going to save it because this is going to be large, but I'm going to select an option. So you can use this, and let me just reduce the volume from my clip, and you can reduce it and see what part of your recording would you like to record as GIF. So let's say I'm interested in doing this. So you can actually hold Shift and drag across the option that you would like. So let's say I want this brief moment record as GIF. So if I select this, now if you want to export it, you go to File, and now you don't have that option of just export. Actually, the program tells you, do you want to just export this selected range? And that's what I want. I want to just selected range. And we do the same thing. I have to go to Manual and select Animated GIF. And you can select other options. And I'm just going to find I'll just leave it on the desktop. GIF test 1. Okay, and it's going to export. It was exported. I found it here. Now, if you just double click on this GIF, what happened? GIF is a basically set of images. So I can see that this GIF is 407 images. Like if you want to shorten a GIF and you don't have a program to do it, one quick way is to select some of these images and click delete and then save it again. So I'll just do that. But another quick way to test to see if your GIF is working is basically open your browser. And once you have your browser open, you want to select your GIF and you want to drag it to the URL bar right there. Once you see that plus, you just click it and click enter, and this will show you your GIF. So this is a quick way to test it out, what your GIF is. And one more thing that I forgot to show you, if you exporting this as GIF, if you click customize, you have options of how many frames you want to, and if you want to loop it, if you want to continuously do the same thing over and over again, and basically how big it is and how many colors and so on. So there's some other options here. That's about it that I can think of about the GIF and Screenflow. So thanks so much for watching.